Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Natara Space. I am Natara, and today's video is a review of the Dossier. This is the second time Dossier has reached out to me, and I am so happy that they did because I really do love their perfumes, you guys. Their perfumes is, you can just about say they are the exact same thing, but it's really their own version of the perfume or cologne that the high-end company has created. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this review. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I have two of the Dossier perfumes. This first one is the Flora Honeysuckle, and this is what it looks like right here. It says Flora Honeysuckle, you guys. The top notes is green leaves, orange, honeysuckle. The middle notes are jasmine, sabak, and tuberose, and the base notes are orange, sandalwood, and vanilla. And this is inspired by the Gucci Bloom Eau de Perfume. And you guys, it literally smells like the Gucci perfume. You can actually smell the honeysuckle in this. You can smell the sandalwood as well as the vanilla. And also, you guys, the top is magnetic, and I really love this about the product. Okay, you guys, and this is the Flora Honeysuckle. The next one is the Flora Grapefruit, as you can see right there. The Flora Grapefruit top notes are grapefruit, pear, and black currant. And the middle notes are the hyacinth, jasmine, and lilac. And the base notes are orris, musk, and amberwood. This is inspired by the Chanel Chance. And you guys, I'm going to go ahead and smell it. That smells, it smells really good. You can actually smell the pear, the lilac, and the musk in that, you guys. It smells really well, and also it has the magnetic top as well. A little bit about Dossier. Their mission is to deliver the highest quality luxury inspired fragrances at the fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. So yeah, you guys, and this one is the Flora Grapefruit. So if you're interested in looking for some really good perfumes or colognes that is not too expensive, and you know how you can go into the store and you see them maybe even $100. Yeah, you guys, you can really get these from Dossier, and they smell exactly the same. So thank you again, Dossier, for reaching out to me. I really do appreciate you for trusting me with your product, and I hope that you guys will go down in the description box and click the link for Dossier to get you some good smelling products. You guys, I will have all the information within the video as well as down in the description box. Until next time, bye guys.